The legend of off-road trucks just got an upgrade. Meet the 2025 Ford F-150 Tremor, a rugged powerhouse built for adventure. With new tech, enhanced power, and aggressive styling, this truck is ready to dominate the trails. Stick around as we dive deep into what makes this Tremor an absolute beast. At first glance, the 2025 F-150 Tremor looks meaner than ever. Ford gave it a redesigned grille with bold Tremor badging, an upgraded off-road bumper, and LED signature lighting that screams toughness. The 33-inch all-terrain tires on unique Tremor wheels give it a lifted stance, while the dual tow hooks and skid plates hint at its off-road DNA. Under the hood, Ford continues to impress. The 2025 Tremor packs the 3.5-liter EcoBoost V6, delivering 400 horsepower and 500 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission and an upgraded 4x4 system with trail control, this truck is ready for anything. And let's not forget the one-pedal off-road driving mode, making rock crawling smoother than ever. Step inside, and you'll find a mix of ruggedness and luxury. The 12-inch digital instrument cluster and huge infotainment screen with S24 keep you connected. Tremor-exclusive bold orange accents and durable yet premium materials remind you that this is no ordinary F-150. And for those long adventures, the B&O premium sound system and massaging seats make the ride even sweeter. Off-road, the Tremor shines with its enhanced suspension, locking rear differential, and available Ford's Pro Power onboard system, turning your truck into a mobile generator. Whether it's sand, snow, or deep mud, the advanced terrain management system ensures you conquer it all. The 2025 Ford F-150 Tremor is more than just a truck, it's a statement. With a starting price of around $60,000, it offers serious off-road performance without compromising comfort. So, would you take this beast on your next adventure? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to The Expensive Cars for more exclusive content on the hottest trucks and luxury rides. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.